We would recommend that you change your dome and your filter on your hearing aid once a month. To remove the dome, all you do is you get your thumb and your forefinger, you pinch the dome and you pull it off the unit. You can see here underneath there's a small white circle, and this is known as either the filter or the wax guard, and this ultimately protects the wax from going down into the receiver. To remove the filter, you're going to come to your box of filters and you're going to have them on a round circle, or you'd have a row of sticks depending on what hearing aid you have. These are just on a black tab, and you remove the tab. One tab here, or one end, is black and the other is white. The white is the new filter. The black is how we're going to remove the old filter from the hearing aid. You can see here I line up the black pointy and I push it in till it clicks, and then I gently pull away from the hearing aid, and you can see there the old filter is removed. I then turn the tab round at the same time and I put the new filter onto the hearing aid and again gently remove the black tab. That can then go in the recycling. That's your filter replaced. To place a new dome on, you'd come to your pack of domes, peel the tab at the back and get a new dome out of the packaging. Again, with your thumb and your forefinger here, you'd squeeze the dome slightly and you want to line up the filter and the dome. There's a small hole in the centre of the dome on the underneath, and it's just gently easing that dome onto the actual filter unit here. Give it a good push on, make sure it's firmly in place, and that's your dome and filter replaced.